Have you ever sat through a live presentation with just a talking head and slides you can't read? Well, we've solved that problem. We've developed a format that's not only interactive, educational, but also fun for our series of webinar programs. Here at Drone Education Services, we are opening minds to drone technology. Well, our programs have been approved for real estate continuing education credit since 2014, and now we're bringing them online in a fresh, engaging way. You're going to learn about the endless opportunities available in unmanned technology for real estate. We drill down to the topics you want to know: operational procedures, regulatory rules. You're going to need a Part 107 issued by the FAA. You're going to learn about the importance of real-time data, be it for marketing, valuation, insurance, or even litigation.
It makes you look more credible in the eyes of the judge.
We'll engage you with interactive questions with segments like, what do you think?
You can select all that would apply in this one. And let's see what everybody thinks.
Thank you, Uda. We're going to show you how to transform that flight data into revenue. Know the rules, fly above your competitors, and make more money. Contact us today to book a live presentation on unmanned drone use in real estate.